Yes, Kia, to which you never say no. Our mobile phone has many features, including the network coverage. The network coverage of our mobile phone is very good. Imagine two people. Imagine two people climbing a Mount Everest. After struggling hard and toiling their way to the top of the Everest, and when they reach the zenith of it, they are very happy. They want to celebrate the happy news with their with their friends and their relatives. What happens with the normal phones and with our Z series Kia phones? Wherever you go, all networks will follow you. It's not only one network; every network will follow you, and you can't leave it alone. This is the trademark feature of our mobile phone. Coming to the media part of it, imagine a lady going outside, and she's very fond of taking pictures on her mobile phone. The new Kia Z series phone, it will make sure every shot you take is not ugly but very beautiful. The new Kia, it takes only beautiful photos. And with so many features inside our mobile phone, we want our phone to be very secure. So we have made our phone as a water resistant phone. The new Kia Z series phone, the new Kia Z series phone, two people are happily singing their song. Unfortunately, both got a car at the same time, and it slipped into the loop. The older version of phones, you can't use the phone again, but with our Kia, you can wash it and use it again. The new Kia Z series phone, water resistant and completely secure. Our Kia phone comes with a wide range of inbuilt applications, which is called and the best trademark feature of our application is the wife meter. The wife meter which tells you how your wife is. Your wife is very angry with you. The result is 1 in your application. Your wife is in normal mode. The result is 5. And your wife is very lovely mode. Don't be deceived. And the result is 9. Okay, then you can happily go home. We want